Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to create a private server or channel in Telegram. Alright, the first thing you should do is open your Telegram app on your phone, and then if you want to create a private channel or a server, you have to click on this icon. It's right here, and then choose new channel right here. Alright, and then you can type your channel name like this, and then you can put description of the channel. Alright, and then after that you can click the check mark. Alright, and if you want to make your channel private, you have to choose this option, private channel. Alright, and then you can click the check mark to finish the step. Alright, and then you can skip this step. You can add subscribers, but you can skip it. You just have to click this button. Alright. Okay guys, now the channel has been created, and that's how we can create a private server or channel in Telegram. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!